Howdy folks, it's Handsome, and today we have a returning guest today, and it is obviously messed up. But before we get into that, go check out my shop, handsomeshop.com. Really cool stuff. Hopefully we'll have the t-shirts up here pretty soon. If not, buy some tools for your dad or something, I don't know. All right, we got a returning guest. Got a Sony 24-70 2.8 version 2, and we took a tumble. This is the vanity ring around the outside. We got a piece missing here from impact. And I looked at the diagram, and actually, this is all supposed to be one piece. When I looked it up, I thought, oh, I just need to buy this, slap it on with some double stick tape. Negative. As an assembly. The S filter screw ASSY. A5047838A. Let's take a look at it. I haven't even looked at it yet. Hopefully this is the right piece. I do mess up from time to time. Hey! See? And then it has the... Wow, this is perfect. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, I think it sits like that. All right, enough of that. So that is the part. And yeah, so we're going to trash that. Definitely don't need that, but we do love iFixit. Shout out to iFixit. Holla at your boy. We got to take off this piece. Wow, that was way too easy. Usually that takes some good old prying because of the double stick tape and stuff right there. So that's crazy. Use an iFixit plastic tool so it doesn't scratch the glass. And then basically we are going to take these screws out. Right here. Is this literally only 4 screws? Nah, 6 screws. My bad. And then we are going to put that right there. All right, we're going to put some double stick tape. Taking all this residue off the bottom of here so the new stuff, the new adhesive we put doesn't interfere with the old adhesive. Oh, okay. Chicken burp burp. You gotta line up the nipples to the holes. All right, that was the filter barrel assembly on a Sony 24-70 version 2. Man, pretty solid repair. I mean, pretty easy repair. Still could damage the front grouped element, blah, blah, blah. But I'd say it's not that bad. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. Y'all know the drill. Until next time, don't break nothing. Peace!
I'm no joke, you know, I'm no